Did you ever walk past a vending machine and wonder, who owns this thing? It is just standing there in the corner. Maybe inside a hospital hallway, a college dorm, an office building, a laundromat, a warehouse break room, or a gym. People walk up, tap a card, grab a drink, and leave. Nobody is behind the counter. Nobody is taking orders. Nobody is smiling at customers. The machine just sits there, quietly collecting money one snack at a time. And that is why the vending machine business looks so tempting. It feels like the perfect small business. Buy a machine. Fill it with chips, candy, protein bars, soda, water, energy drinks. Place it somewhere with traffic. Then let people buy from it all day. From the outside, it almost feels like owning a tiny store that never talks, never asks for a day off, and does not need you standing behind it. But the real business is more interesting than that, because a vending machine can be a nice little cash flow asset. It can also become a heavy metal box full of expired snacks if you put it in the wrong location. So how much money does a vending machine business really make? Let's imagine you are starting one in the United States. You do not begin with a huge warehouse or a giant team. You start with one machine. Maybe you find a used snack and drink combo machine for a few $1,000s. It is not glamorous. It is big, heavy, and annoying to move. You need a truck, a dolly, maybe a second person, and a place that actually wants it. That last part is the whole game. The machine is not the business. The location is the business. A vending machine in a quiet corner with no foot traffic is almost invisible. The same machine inside a busy warehouse, hospital, school, gym, apartment building, or office can sell all day because people are already there and they already want convenience. That is what vending really sells. Not snacks, convenience. Someone is tired at work and needs an energy drink. Someone forgot lunch and wants chips. Someone is leaving the gym and wants water. Someone is in a hospital waiting room at 11 p.m. and the cafeteria is closed. In that moment, the vending machine wins because it is right there. No line, no conversation, no app, just tap, grab, go. Now let's talk about the money. Imagine one machine sells 15 items a day, maybe a bottle of water, a few sodas, some chips, candy bars, and 1 or 2 protein snacks. If the average sale is $2, that machine brings in about $30 a day. Over a month, that is around $900 in revenue. That sounds pretty good for one machine sitting in a hallway. But revenue is not what the owner keeps. You still have to buy the products. If you sell a drink for $2.50 and it costs you $1.10 wholesale, the gross margin might look nice. If you sell chips for $1.75 and they cost you 65 cents, that also looks nice. But the money has to cover more than inventory. There may be a commission to the location owner. Some places want a percentage of sales because the machine is using their space and electricity. You may pay card processing fees. You have fuel costs to restock the machine. Sometimes machines break. Sometimes products expire. Sometimes a card reader stops working. Sometimes someone shakes the machine because their candy got stuck, and now you have a repair problem instead of passive income. This is where vending stops feeling like free money and starts feeling like operations. A good vending owner is not just buying snacks. They are managing routes. They are watching inventory. They are studying what sells. They are keeping machines clean. They are fixing little problems before a location manager gets annoyed. Because if the machine looks empty, dirty, broken, or outdated, people stop trusting it. And if the building owner gets complaints, you may lose the location. Now picture 2 machines. One is inside a busy warehouse where employees work long shifts. By 10 a.m., energy drinks are moving. By lunch, chips and candy sell. During the afternoon slump, more drinks disappear. That machine might do real numbers because it solves a daily problem for people who cannot easily leave. Now imagine another machine in a small office with 12 employees who bring lunch from home. It looks professional, it has good products, and it technically has a location. But the sales are weak. Maybe it sells 3 items a day. At that point, the owner still has to drive there, restock it, check it, clean it, and deal with the same machine risk. Same business model, completely different result. That is why vending is often less about the machine and more about route quality. One strong location can outperform 5 weak ones. A beginner may think, I need more machines. A smarter owner thinks, I need better locations, because every machine adds responsibility. More machines mean more inventory, more driving, more repairs, more cash tied up, and more places that can call you when something goes wrong. A vending route can become profitable, but it has to be built carefully. Let's go back to one machine doing $900 a month in sales. Suppose the products cost around half of that. Now $450 is left before other expenses. Maybe the location takes 10%. Maybe card fees take a little. Maybe fuel, spoilage, and maintenance take more. After everything, the owner might keep a few $100s a month from that machine. Maybe $200, maybe $300, maybe more if the location is excellent and costs are low. In a weaker location, the profit might be so small that the machine is barely worth the effort. That is the strange part of vending. One machine can feel exciting when you only look at revenue. It can feel much less exciting when you count the drive time, because time matters. If a machine makes $150 a month but takes you hours to restock, drive to, repair, and manage, it may not be as passive as it looked on TikTok. The best vending operators understand this. They do not want random machines scattered everywhere. They want a route, a tight route. Machines close enough together that restocking does not eat the whole day. Imagine owning 10 machines in the same part of town. A gym, a warehouse, a laundromat, an apartment complex, a small college building, a car dealership, a medical office, a mechanic shop, a large break room, a youth sports facility. If the locations are close together, you can restock several machines in one trip. You buy inventory in bulk. You learn which products sell in each place. You swap slow-moving snacks before they expire. The gym gets water, protein bars, and low-sugar drinks. The warehouse gets energy drinks, chips, and filling snacks. The apartment building gets late-night convenience items. The office gets coffee drinks, sparkling water, and small snacks. That is where vending becomes more like a real business. Each machine has its own personality. A hospital machine might sell at odd hours. A school machine might have rules about what products are allowed. A gym machine might need healthier options. A warehouse machine might sell more during shift changes. A laundromat machine might do well because people are stuck there waiting. You are not just filling machines. You are matching products to people's moments. And the better you do that, the more money each machine can make. Now let's imagine the business grows. One machine becomes 3, 3 becomes 10, 10 becomes 20. At 20 machines, the business feels very different. You may be dealing with thousands of dollars in monthly product sales, but also a lot more moving parts. Inventory has to be stored somewhere. Machines need maintenance. Locations expect reliability. Card readers need tracking. Cash, if you still accept it, has to be collected. You need to know which machines are running low before customers find empty shelves. Some modern machines can send sales data remotely, which helps a lot. Instead of guessing, the owner can see that machine 7 is almost out of Gatorade, machine 3 is not selling trail mix, and machine 12 had a card reader issue. That information can turn a messy route into a smoother operation, but it also shows why vending is not completely passive. It can be low labor compared with a restaurant or coffee shop, but someone still has to run the system. The machine does not choose the location. It does not negotiate the deal. It does not buy inventory. It does not drive across town. It does not apologize when someone's snack gets stuck. The owner does. So how much can a vending machine business make? A weak machine may barely make enough to justify the trip. A decent machine might keep a couple $100s a month in profit. A strong machine in a great location can do much better. A good route of 10 well-placed machines might create a useful side income. A larger route with 20, 50 or more machines can become a real small business, but at that point it may also require storage space, systems, help, and constant attention. That is the trade. Vending can start small, but scaling it means becoming an operator. The dream version is simple. You own machines in great locations. They sell every day. You restock on a schedule. The data tells you what people want. The route is tight. The machines are clean. The card readers work. The locations like you. Customers buy without thinking. In that version, vending can feel like owning tiny convenience stores all over town. The harder version is very different. A machine sits in a dead hallway. Products expire. A location asks for too much commission. Gas eats the profit. Someone damages the machine. A better operator takes your location. And suddenly, the passive income business feels very active. So the real question is not, can vending machines make money? They can. The better question is, can you find locations where convenience is valuable enough that people buy every day? Because the money is not hiding inside the machine. It is hiding in the foot traffic, the break room, the late-night hallway, the busy gym, the warehouse shift change, the apartment lobby where someone does not want to drive to the store. A vending machine is just a box until it is placed in the right moment. Put it where people are hungry, thirsty, tired, bored, or stuck waiting, and it can quietly turn convenience into cash. Put it where nobody needs it, and it becomes furniture. That is the business behind vending machines. It looks like snacks and drinks. But underneath, it is location, route density, product selection, maintenance, and repeat impulse buying. From the outside, it is just a machine in the corner. From the owner's side, it is a tiny retail store that only works when the right product meets the right person at the right time. And once you understand that, you will never walk past a vending machine the same way again.